Hey guys, so here we are today at Myrtle Beach helicopter tours, and we're going to go do some adventuring, right guys?
Right.
All right. Holy smokes! Oh, there you go. Lori, Mike, and Henry.
So the most important thing is to never walk to the back of the helicopter. Always stay at the front of the helicopter.
Doing pretty good. They're relaxing here, and we got the whole gang here, and hell, the gang's all here.
That's right. So, how are we enjoying ourselves?
We're getting
Oh no, wait a second. No, I'm not.
Well, you know, Mrs. Moody, she bought these windows, and she's had them for a whole year. And the salesman came up to her and said,
I was just gonna make
"Mrs.
sure the
Moody,
kids
do
got
you
on
like
and
your
then walk
windows?"
back.
Oh yeah, I really like them. Well, do they work okay? Oh yeah, they're wonderful. He said, "You know, you've had them for a whole year and you haven't paid for them yet." Well, I don't know about that. She told me they'll pay for themselves in a year.
Are you guys ready for this exciting trip?
Yeah. This is my third time.
Your third time?
Look at the funometer in the middle of your thing.
The
That's how fun
funometer.
it is. Yeah,
Wow, is that how fun it really is?
Yep.
I can't wait. Here we go. Pop up. We're going to have a good ride? Okay. It is very fun. It's bumpy. is awesome! I'm not in the back.
Pedal is to go
That's to go forward.
and backwards.
Uh-huh.
I mean, pull this.
That's the brake.
Stop.
All right, let's see if I can fit on this thing.
Probably not.
I can go backwards. Oh, yeah, that's kind of tight. Okay. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, watch the bump.
Oh, not through the Fred Flintstone mobile. Okay, forward will be easier, right? Oh, that's pretty fun. Only one problem. If I'm holding the camera, I can't pull the brake. Oh yeah, cool. That's a Fred Flintstone mobile. We are at the beach finally. We've only been here for 4 days and we finally found the ocean. The funniest video of all is trying to see everybody get ready for a picture. This will be good. Well, you are tough, boy. That's all I can say. How old are you, Aubrey?
7.
You're 7? And what's your favorite part about Myrtle Beach? Swimming? Not the golf cart or the silly train. Swimming's the best part.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, I'm gonna
Hello. What are you going to show us?
Huh. Then my hands are very easy so they can't feel anything. Hey! Look at it!
Oh, that's a cool rock. Beach walk.
There's Mike
Hi, Aunt Joyce.
and Lori. Hey. Alright, we just got back from the beach. And don't mind my hair.
He's got
like
beach.
the wild man from Voyage.
He's got beach hair.
How you doing, hon? Your daughter's looking more like you every day.
We had a beautiful surprise to get to see Dana and Bob, and they got to meet the whole family, and we had a real good time over there with the kids.
Well, good morning, everybody. I'd like to introduce you this morning to 2 of our newest Young at Heart adventurers. We have Henry and Barb from Pennsylvania.
How you doing?
Yep, this is my dad. This is my stepmom. And I'd like to feature them as Young at Heart adventurers because they travel and do more stuff than we ever dreamed to do, Lori and I. And we're trying to aspire to be as active as they are. So I think it's a pretty inspiring story, and I would just like them to share some of their adventures with us. So you guys want to tell us a little bit about yourselves and what you guys like to do?
Okay, well, I just turned 82, and we still are skiers. We've been skiing.
I can't keep up with them on the hills.
You do a better job than I do. We've been skiing in Switzerland. We've been skiing out west. We've been skiing in the Poconos. So this is one of the things we really enjoy doing. And when a lot of our friends
Can't wait for winter, right?
can't wait for winter. A lot of people think we're crazy. My wife Barbara, she's a pretty good skier, and except we stay away from the real deep snow. And so we've been traveling, doing a lot of traveling, whatever we can do. When she retired, we did a 6-week tour of all the national parks out west. We did out in Utah. We did some skiing out of the Powder Mountain, and we toured Bryce Canyon and Zion National Park, and I think Barb will fill you in on some of the other places.
In the Grand Canyon, and then we took a loop and we went up and did Mesa Verde, which is amazing if you ever get a chance to go there. And then we went to Mount Rushmore and Yellowstone and
Wow.
the Grand Tetons. And
How many weeks did that take?
Well, it's 6 weeks. We started in Salt Lake City and we ended in Salt Lake City. We got to visit with some of our family while we were out there, and just had a great time and did it at our own pace. And we even took a rafting ride down the Colorado River. It wasn't whitewater rafting, but it was a rafting ride down the Colorado River. And when he was talking about skiing, we've had the opportunity to ski with all of our kids, and now we're starting another generation with all of our grandkids, and they can't wait to go skiing too. And it was kind of cute because our one grandson, we said about taking a lesson, and he said, "Oh no, I want my pop-up to teach me to ski." And now they're all skiing with us, so we enjoy that. We've taken a couple trips to Mexico. We also had an opportunity to go to Peru, which is an amazing trip. We spent some time in Lima and Cusco, and then we got to go to Machu Picchu. And
Wow.
that's an amazing trip, it is. And we also took a cruise to Alaska, which is a once-in-a-lifetime thing, too. It's pretty expensive, but it's really nice, and just to get up and do the cruise and also the inland package, because Alaska has really got two different areas there that you really need to see.
So when you guys did the cruise, you did the inland package. You went to Denali, right? Denali
Well, we did
National Park.
the land package too. We took the cruise up,
Uh-huh.
and they stopped along the way, and then we did a float plane, airplane into the water, land on the lakes there, and we did some whitewater rafting there, and that was really whitewater rafting. The water was like 32 degrees,
Oh wow.
and you had to wear fireman's outfit.
Right.
And the one lady was sitting up in front, the waves come over and got her, and went all down inside her coat. She said, "That's a glacial facial." And one thing we did say about Machu Picchu, not to change the subject, was it was not a vacation, it was an adventure.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of neat stuff to see there, but and our guides were wonderful. They took us everywhere. We rode the train into the Machu Picchu, and we climbed the pyramids, and then we really had a nice trip.
Well, that's awesome, and not, but it wasn't just a couple years ago. I mean, just on this trip down here to Myrtle Beach, you guys stopped at King's Dominion for some roller coaster adventure, right?
Yep. We're kind of backing off a little bit on the roller coasters. So there's a couple of roller coasters in the world now that I won't ride, but we got a couple of us got to ride the new. It's called the Twisted Timbers at King's Dominion, and it was really fun. And of course, we have a wonderful amusement park that's free right near us. The Knoebels Amusement Park in Ely'sburg, Pennsylvania, is about a half an hour from us. So get to see us a lot there. It's free picnicking, free entertainment, free parking, and you can just buy tickets and go on whatever rides you want to go on.
Cool.
So, but we enjoy spending time with all the kids and the grandkids, and they keep us young too.
Yep. And I think you have a little bit of a side hobby, don't you, Doug?
Yeah, I ran a printing press for 35 years, and I printed a book on how to do ventriloquism. And so I decided that I have 5 or 6 puppets I work with, just depending on the age group of people I work with. And I have one that's old Doc Moody and Mrs. Moody, and then I have one it's Uncle Sam.
Mm-hmm.
And Uncle Sam, I'm going to be using that when we get back to Pennsylvania for our high school reunion picnic.
Mm-hmm.
And so it's kind of fun to work with that. And it's interesting because Mike and Lori bought me, while they were in Florida, got me one that looks like a sheep. And when we were at our church camp, the kids sing a song, "I want to be a sheep, ba 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 ba. I want to be a sheep, ba ba. I don't want to be a Pharisee because they're not fair, you see." So anyway, we did that with that puppet, and my son Jim played the guitar, and his kids sang along with us, and we did the whole thing with the puppet for our reunion at church.
Awesome. Well, thanks guys for sharing your adventures. I'm sure you're inspiring lots of people that when they retire, they can get out there and have some fun and have some adventures. And we're going to be showing some of our adventures. We're here on a family reunion here in Myrtle Beach, and we'll be showing some of our adventures here on this video as well.
Pirate show,
Yeah.
yeah. there's 15 of us, and last night we all went to Dolly Parton's pirate show that up here at Myrtle Beach, and it is awesome, just awesome. It includes your dinner, and then they have a water show and all kinds of acrobatics, and it was just a real highlight of our vacation. So if you ever get to Myrtle Beach, make sure you try and take in the pirate show.
Had a great time here at Myrtle Beach KOA with a family reunion, and it's time to put the magnet on the fridge to commemorate this trip.